How to fix message unavailable on Instagram. So if you want to fix the problem of message unavailable on Instagram, then first you need to open up your Instagram application. Once you open up your Instagram, now you need to go for the profile, which is on the bottom right, and go for the upper right, which has that 3 bat icon. Once you're here, you need to scroll down and you need to find an option of messages and story replies. So tap on that option. Once you tap on that option, here you need to go for the first option, which is message controls. Once you've chosen, now here you will have a bunch of options, right? So what you need to do is you just need to simply go for an option which will be on the bottom of your screen under your connected tools. You will have an option of allow access to messages. So make sure that you have allowed that option. And once you allow that option, now you need to go back and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your message unavailable on Instagram problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.